You walk into an optometrist's office and immediately hit the wall of frames. Thousands of practically identical options staring back at you, making it impossible to know where to start. The stakes here are high. You're buying a highly visible accessory that sits directly on the center of your face, dictates your first impressions, and has to remain physically comfortable for up to 16 hours a day. Picking a pair simply because they look good on a shelf is the quickest way to end up with glasses you hate wearing. The correct approach is to ignore the displays entirely and apply a rigid geometric formula to your own face. This illustrates the eyewear equation. Instead of browsing 10,000 options, pass the inventory through 3 distinct gates: shape, size, and tone. For a confused beginner, this stops choice paralysis by stripping away 95% of bad options before you try anything on. If you are an aesthetic optimizer, it gives you an objective, measurable standard for finding the exact frame that perfectly complements your distinct facial structure. But applying this formula introduces an immediate trade-off. Committing strictly to aesthetic fashion rules will often limit your access to frames that actually offer the correct physical fit. Selecting flattering eyewear isn't a subjective art form, it's a measurable process of systematic elimination. The geometry filter operates entirely on the rule of opposites. For a mound face, add architectural definition to soft features by explicitly wearing angular or rectangular frames. The trade-off is completely abandoning vintage circular frames to achieve facial balance. Square faces require the exact reverse approach. By utilizing the thick, circular geometry of round or oval frames, you soften sharp jawlines and prominent angles. The limitation here is that anyone with a square face must avoid bold, geometric styles that overly emphasize their already harsh facial angles. Heart and diamond faces share a different set of visual challenges, balancing out a wider forehead while simultaneously highlighting high cheekbones. The exact application to balance those features requires a bottom-heavy design or a sharp cat-eye frame sweeping outward right at the cheek. Alternatively, the classic teardrop swoop of an aviator acts as a highly effective counterbalance for a wide forehead. Rectangle faces require oversized or particularly wide frames to reduce the appearance of length, while oval faces have the rare flexibility to wear almost any geometry successfully. Facial geometry serves as an excellent initial sorting mechanism. But remember, an aesthetically balanced frame is completely useless if it fails to align with your exact physical measurements. This brings us to the sizing filter. This non-negotiable physical reality of eyewear instantly trumps all your fashion decisions. The primary constraint is your hinge-to-hinge width. A small face generally requires a 125 millimeters width, while an XL fit pushes up to 140 millimeters. Getting this exact measurement right guarantees zero pinching at the temples and ensures the optical center of the lens sits perfectly directly over your pupil. The brutal trade-off of this constraint is that you must ruthlessly reject aesthetically perfect frames the moment they fall outside your required millimeter range. The second major physical constraint is the bridge fit. This is a highly specific challenge for individuals with a low nose bridge. A bad bridge fit results in glasses that constantly slide down your face and rest uncomfortably against your cheeks every time you smile. The functional solution is to narrow your search specifically to Asian fit models or frames built with adjustable wire nose pads. Doing this severely limits your access to standard molded acetate frames. For the pragmatic wearer, optimized geometry means nothing if the frame refuses to stay in place or causes tension headaches. Physical fit strictly dictates your daily comfort. The final stage of elimination is the color filter. Rather than relying on arbitrary color preferences, this is entirely driven by matching your skin undertones. If you have cool undertones in your skin, you should pair your complexion with stark black, silver, deep blue, or rich jewel tones. The clear trade-off for cool-toned wearers is avoiding classic warm frames like tortoiseshell or bright gold, which will visually wash out your complexion. For warm undertones, the objective is to enhance your natural skin warmth by leaning heavily into gold, brown, red, and traditional tortoiseshell patterns. Notice the rich, warm brown tones of the tortoiseshell finish and how the integrated gold wire branding naturally complements those warmer hues. Following this rule for warm skin means entirely excluding stark, icy blue acetates or highly modern silver wireframes from your options. If you happen to possess neutral undertones, you have the flexibility to experiment with almost any color on the spectrum without risking a harsh clash. Selecting the right color serves as the final polish. It integrates the frame seamlessly into your overall complexion, rather than looking like a foreign object sitting artificially on your face. This checklist outlines the full equation. Shape and color dictate your visual style, but size is what guarantees your comfort. For the pragmatic wearer, your directive is simple. Prioritize hinge-to-hinge width and bridge fit above all other aesthetic criteria. To guarantee that day-long physical comfort, you may have to settle for your second or even third favorite frame shape. For the aesthetic optimizer, strictly apply the rule of opposites and proper undertone matching to actively elevate your natural features. The cost of this approach is time. It requires significantly more hunting to find a frame that meets these strict visual rules while still adhering to your necessary physical sizing. The absolute most important action you can take happens before you ever look at a single pair of glasses. Measure your face first. Screenshot this matrix right now. Use it as your definitive shopping blueprint to eliminate choice paralysis forever. Finding the perfect glasses relies entirely on knowing your exact constraints. Once you have the measurements, the right choice reveals itself.